Good morning, everybody. If you saw the live session, coding live session about this problem 4.4, you see that we arrived at this solution, and we promise to come up with another video in which we'll be abstracting this pattern to, to use higher order functions. Okay, so and this is different because I press Control Enter to start recording this video, and also you see this is a shortcut that I defined for OBS, but at the same time it triggers an execution of the thing, so this changed. That's why if you are like detail oriented and you see this different, that's the reasons. Now, yeah, let's get started before this video takes too long. I'm going to call this backup back backup. I'm going to execute the thing, and now we get an error because we are going to define sequence again, but with foldRight, and and probably we should probably this was best suited to be done in the live session, but as you saw, I was wanting to leave because I wanted to take a walk, and mm, but I spent the entire day in another place. So yeah, now we are again back. I spent 20 minutes prior to recording of this video playing with dice. 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Mm, Okay, this is screaming to be refactored. As you can see, this is a tail recursive function, and probably we should annotate this one with add annotation dot tailrec. We didn't we didn't do it. We didn't. So how do you come up with an abstraction with to use some higher order functions? Then you need to take a look at the documentation for Scala. Here it is, foldRight. It takes an accumulator and the function a and b to be, and we know this because this was in the book, but we have implemented fold left. So we know what's happening here, but now we get to use the one in the Scala library, right? Okay, so let's get started. Why fold right or fold left? Because you have a list, you have an accumulator that should tell you something. So we start writing, maybe ace or fold right. Look at this, the same documentation that we saw, but now we have over here. It's great. So in here we need an accumulator, which is this, Look at this, correspondence. So we are putting this, empty. Now we get to provide the function, which you can do with another parenthesis or with this curly braces because it is the last parameter for the function, and it is a function. And here we need to define a function a to b according to the documentation. Let's take a look again. Yeah, a to b, a and b to b. And we have to make the compiler happy. And what we need to do with that function is exactly what we have over here. So imagine this code was left by some previous developer in the team, and the developer left the company, and they tell you, just refactor some code if you don't have anything else to do, and you engage in this by not breaking any test, okay, or introducing new ones. Okay, A to B, and we have this thing, so we need to use map2 because that's what we are doing here. Hopefully this is clear, right? You have the list over here. We are now using foldRight to abstract this, and now we are in this part. Look at this. This is the accumulator, and this is the option. The option may be A, now is A, and the accumulator is B, which is over here. Accumulator A. And we pass the parameters. And now we need to provide a function. Which is this? Okay. That should do it. And we got an error. From A requires nothing. Well, A, B, A, B, it says okay. It is sounds like everything is in. Requires nothing. Where requires nothing. Why does requires nothing? From A requires nothing. Where's the other? No, this. Okay, we have the list on this. And now we are writing the function. Why is requiring nothing? Unbelievable. You are like, I don't know, unaware of these things. This is great. We just need to put the A over here. And now the thing is correct. 1, 2, 3 again. We were able to abstract this, to refactor this function, and hopefully you saw the reason for this annotation, type annotation. This empty was in the Scala was inferring nothing. But we help, we provide a little help with annotating with an A, and now the thing works. Now it is up to you if you want to write some curly braces, write some underscores over here, For me, that will be all. Thank you very much, and see you in another live session. Bye.